Yo, what is up, friends? So today, our code specialist Deo Jobalia is going to solve the problem greedy algorithm to find minimum number of points. So it's amongst the easiest question, and greedy algorithm overall is a type of algorithm which requires least amount of computation and fastest ability to get fastest result. So there is no complexity out there. So hop on to Geeks for Geeks. So how the question goes is, first let's get the marker. You are given an infinite supply of denominations of Indian currency, okay? Uh, and target value n. So these two things we have been provided. Find the minimum number of points and or notes needed to make the changes for rupees n. You must return list containing the value of coins required. You must return the list containing the value of coins required. Okay, so I have zoned out a bit. So, mm, mm, so what we have to return? Find the minimum number of coins or notes needed to make the change of n. You must return the list containing the value of coin. Acha value. Okay, they want value only, no? That's better. But they want to this multiple can be stored. Okay, so quite easy. Let's go on to the pen and paper and solve this thing. Mm, on to our notes. Back camera on, mic off. So let's go. Um, n equals to 43. So the possible denominations were 2000, 500, 200, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2, 1. So how we begin is, so we are over here. We will check if 2000 is greater than the value. Yes, it is. So we will move ahead. 500 is also greater. Move ahead. 200 greater. 400 greater. 50 greater. At 20, we will see that this value is lower. So we can use it. My voice, is it breaking? No, it is not. So we can use it to create our denomination. So our value, we can use this denomination to create our value. Now how does this go is 43 minus 20, which will give us 23. This we will again check. Is 20 less than the value? Yes, it is. So we will again subtract it, which will result in 3. Now 20 is greater, so we move on. 10 is greater, 5 is greater, 2 is less than 10. So we will subtract it. The result is 1. 1 is less than the thing. So we have to move on again. So 1 minus 1, which will result in 0. So any value may be. This denomination will create the expected output. So what we will do is store this 20, 20, 2 and 1 into our array. 20, 20, 2 and 1. This is our answer. So the approach is greedy approach. Dry run we have done. So how the code will look like is while I is less than n. N is this, or I is greater than 0, greater than equal to 0. So if This is ARR. ARR of I less than n. N minus equals to ARR of I. Else ARR of I equals to 0. So we have to do another thing. Answer dot add ARR of I. Are you able to see the end part? No. Answer equals to ARR of I. Else we have to do is, if we don't do this, it is also possible, but let's do it for safer side. Then just return answer. Else we will do I. Why it is in else? Because if either of this condition means first condition, if it is true, so it means we can try for the second time. What does that mean is something like here. Once we have tried 20, it's not okay to go ahead. We should again check if it is possible or not. So the time complexity would be O of n. So since we are iterating the whole thing most of the time, and the space complexity is constant. What else? So this was it. Let's go into, sorry for the hassle. I was, what we say, shocked, we can say. So in worst case, we can, n is what? 43. So in worst case, we can do 43 times 1. So that is it, target amount. That was it. So let's go on, man. Not waste some time, precious time. Mm-hmm. We'll just copy this thing. Can we copy it? Yes, we can, no doubt. In array denomination. Let's keep it ARR. New int array. That is it for int I equals to 0. I is less than ARR dot length I plus plus. What we have to take into consideration is amount equals to n. Why I did this is to prevent interfering into value of this. So should I do while for loop? No, we shouldn't. Why? Because we have conditional I plus plus, while I int I equals to ARR dot length minus 1. I is greater than equal to 0. That is it. What else? I don't think so. We need something else. Let's take the thing we have now and do it, and do If we need something else in the future, we will add. Yes, I remember. List of integer answer equals to new array list. Why did they create a list if we have to initialize it with array list? If ARR of I greater than what? Amount. Amount minus equals to ARR of I. Hmm, what else? अमाउंट किया हम लोग ने ARR of I answer dot add ARR of I. This is it. Else case else if uh, int value equals to ARR of control H I value replace with all. Yes, ARR of I. If what is happening, man? If value equals to amount, answer dot add value, return answer, else we will do I plus plus. Not always, only sometime. Return answer. Let's compile it and rock and roll. ARR of I semicolon, man. Silly mistakes, interviewer will be fuming, man. What a mean cannot find symbol. Answer list of integer is equals to new array. What is the problem, man? Arrays list or array list? यार interviewer will be fuming. Oh my god, another mistake. I minus bro. This is one of the mistake I do every time. Oh, another mistake. Time limit exceeded. What? What the hell is this? Int value is equals to ARR of I. What is ARR of I? It is 2000. So value greater than amount. Yes, it is. Go to the else if case. Equal to. No. Go to the else. I minus. The program took too long to. Let's do it one more time. I'm not finding any errors or such. Hmm. While I is greater than or equal to 0. I is so the one thing I think is wrong is if 1000 is greater than amount, we are subtracting it. So there is no logic in this. So amount minus value greater than 0, we will do this. If value equals to amount, this looks correct. So what the error was, if amount greater than, oh, I did a value greater than amount. Let's do this and check one. Yes. So my problem was over there that I was checking if value is greater or not. So that is it. Thank you for being with me. So today's question was quite simple. What is this? Activity selection. If we will do this, man. It's same as N meeting syndrome. We will do this. It's a piece of cake, man. I will meet you on next stream. Mostly today. So till then, bye bye.